Malcolm Greives. I currently live in Oakland, California. Originally, I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I think for me personally, the most exciting thing is to learn. As a speaker, it gives me a platform to express my own ideas and my own thoughts that I'm passionate about. But what excites me the most is when people afterwards come up and talk with me and I can discuss ideas. I can either help people by giving information or I can be helped by receiving new information. And for me, by speaking, it gives me this platform to engage in a broader sense. And that's what it encourages, is the most encouraging for me and why I like speaking at conferences, especially Data by the Bay. I think, so if we have accurate data that really represents, that was corrected or collected correctly, then what excites me about it is the fact that it has truth to it. It is a recording of history. It expresses information, and there's a lot of potential in that expression for information. And the ability to use computers to turn that information into something that's useful and actionable and can help somebody in the current moment or help them solve a problem is what excites me. Primarily for me, I love data because it gives me the hope that we can solve much more interesting problems with computers. So my main insight is that there are a million ways to write a correct program. And when writing a program, people have lots of different goals in mind. Lots of times people write a program to solve a problem. And in that light, the objective is to write the simplest program that is correct and lets you solve your problem effectively. And it's my belief, my strongly held technical belief, that the functional programming style allows one to make, is the easiest method and the easiest programming style to make correct programs. It is primarily to ask yourself the question, are you passionate about data? And if the answer is no, and I don't think you can become one. If the answer is yes, then I think the next question is why? What problem do you want to solve that you think data can help you? And after you've answered those questions, then the next result is to say, go find some data that fits that format and try to solve your problem with it. And if you do that enough times, people will call you a data scientist. And if you do it a lot of times, people will call you a great data scientist. And I think with data science, it's a very empirical field. You can read a lot, you can understand a lot. There's a great body of literature that continues to grow every day that you can get a lot of great information from. But primarily, the only way to become a better data scientist is to practice data science.